Hey, what's up, guys? So, in this video, I want to talk about 5 battery hacks or 5 battery features that you can use on your Galaxy S24 Ultra to get the maximum out of the battery life on your phone. So, let's get started. So, go in settings and then go in battery, and here you will see everything related to battery in one place. And now, the first thing here is power saving mode. Now, in this power saving mode, you can turn it on by toggling it on here, and it shows you down there what it will do. Now with this power saving mode turned on, you will get 3 days of 9 hours worth of battery life, and without it you're only getting 21 hours. So this is the regular power saving mode here, and then down here you can see all the features that you can turn on to maximize the battery output. You can turn off the always on display, you can limit the CPU speed to 70%, you can decrease brightness by 10%, and you can also turn off 5G if you want. And the last option is you can also limit apps and home screen. And if we turn it on with these settings, you can see that it's giving us 3 days and 9 hours, and everything is black, just you have access to your apps and limited functions. Now in the battery settings, once again, the next feature is background usage limits. Now in background usage limits, you can put unused apps to sleep. You can check never auto sleeping apps, and if you want, you can add apps from here, and those apps will never go to sleep mode. You can check your sleeping apps and deep sleeping apps here as well, and you can add to these categories as well. If you want to put an app to sleep or into deep sleep, you can do that. But the real thing that I want to show you is in the three dot menu, and here you can see that we have adaptive battery, which extends the battery life based on your phone usage. Now, how this does it is not clear because it doesn't give us much information, but what it does show us is that there is an adaptive battery feature that if you turn on will help improve the battery life on your phone. Now if you go down, you will see that we have charging settings here, and in the charging settings you can turn on the show charging information. So when your phone is charging, it will show you the estimated time of charging and how much battery is left, so that information you can see. You can also turn on fast charging and fast wireless charging. Now the next feature that I want to talk about is not in battery settings, it's actually in device care. So we have to look for device care and go in here, swipe up and go in diagnostics, and in diagnostics go in phone diagnostics, and here you will see this battery status. You can run the test on battery and it will show you the life of your battery, the charging capacity of your battery. So here you can check the life of your battery. It's good, bad, medium, whatever it is. You can always check it. It's not like iPhone where it shows you the percentage of the battery, but it shows you what's the condition of the battery in the diagnostics app. So this is very useful, and I would say a hidden feature here. Not and now the next feature is also in device care, and that is performance profile. So we have got two profiles here, standard and light. Standard gives the recommended balance between processing speed, battery life, and cooling efficiency. You can select light as well, which prioritizes the battery life and cooling efficiency over processing speed. The last thing and my favorite feature I want to talk about is battery protection. So battery protection, previously in previous versions of One UI, we only had this maximum option where your phone will charge up to 80% and then stop charging. But now they have added two more options here, basic and adaptive. So what the basic option does is that it will charge your phone to 100%, but then it will stop charging until your phone comes back down to 95%. Once the battery is at 95%, it will start charging again. At maximum, it will charge only till 80%. And then there is a balance between the two, and that is adaptive. So when you are sleeping, it will use the maximum version, and when you are awake, it will use the basic version to get you the maximum battery capacity when charging. And the phone will automatically understand your sleeping patterns based on your phone usage. And then finally, we have this battery activity where you can see how long your battery has lasted and what has been the pattern. You can see your battery usage, your screen on time, screen off time, and you can check the whole week in this way. So there's a lot of information given here. You just have to be aware of how your phone and your apps are using the battery on this phone. And then using these 5 hacks and these 5 tricks, you can get the best and the most out of the battery on your Galaxy phone. So that's about it from this video, guys. I hope you've learned something new. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.